Hey guys, how's it going? In this one, I'm going to teach you guys what this CC button is over here. Okay, now CC stands for carbon copy. So let me explain what this means. Let's say I'm going to send an email to my brother. So we got my brother's name there at gmail.com. All right, now what this CC button, or not button, field allows you to do is to actually send it to more than one person. Okay, the email is intended for my brother, but let's say I want my dad to know about it, so I'll put my dad's name there, so dad@gmail.com. Now what happens is if I send the email, it's directed to my brother, so it's going to say, dear Jarek, which is my brother's name, I want to tell you this, and my dad's going to be able to see the email as well. And that's all carbon copy is. So it's really great for when you have to transmit information to multiple people, right, to let them know what's going on, but it's not directly to them. Now what happens is when they get the email, it'll show that they're on the CC, which means that it's not directly to them, but it's something they may need to know. So it's very important for the professional setting, especially when you're working in teams. So that's all the CC button is. And when you're done with it, again, all you want to do is click that send button and it will send it out to these two people. Or you can keep adding more people, okay, as you go. So that's all the CC button. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys soon.